Hi, my name is Waldina Ortega, and today I will presenting my project on Tesla and how global trade disruption are affecting the electric vehicle industry. The EV industry is growing rapidly as more countries push for sustainability, lower carbon emissions, and cleaner transportation. Tesla has become a global leader in the industry, known for innovation in electric cars, battery technology, and renewable energy. Because Tesla operates internationally and depends on suppliers and factories in different countries, the company is highly affected by global trade issues. The main trade disruption that I will be focusing on is the ongoing conflict between the United States and China. Over the past few years, both countries have imposed new tariffs on each other as part of their political and economic dispute. This situation has directly impacted Tesla because China is one of Tesla's largest markets and an important manufacturing location, especially with its major Gigafactory in Shanghai. This tariff raised production and import costs, creates delays, and increased uncertainty for Tesla global strategy. As a result, Tesla is currently facing two major challenges. The first challenge is the rise in manufacturing cost caused caused by tariff on imported vehicles, parts, and materials. Higher costs make it more difficult for Tesla to price its vehicle competitively, especially against local EV brands. The second challenge is that Tesla relies heavily on China for both production and sales. If trade tensions get worse, or if Chinese government takes stronger protectionist actions, Tesla market shares and revenues could be seriously affected. To solve this first challenge, Tesla has two options. One solution is to expand manufacturing into two countries with lower tariff and lower labor costs, such as Mexico or Vietnam. This will help reduce trade risk and improve long term efficiency. The second option is to strengthen supply relationship within China to keep production stable. However, that still leaves Tesla dependent on political decisions that they cannot control. The best solution for this challenge is expanding in other manufacturing regions, which helps Tesla operate more independently from US China in conflict. For the second challenge, depending too much on the Chinese market, Tesla has also two strategy options. The first option is to expand into new markets like Europe, India, and South America, where EV demand is growing. This will reduce market risk and help Tesla reach more customers globally. The second option is to partner with Chinese EV companies, which might help in the short term but could create technology and competition risk. The best strategy for this challenge is market expansion into other parts of the world, which increases long term competitiveness and protects Tesla from political uncertainty. These strategies relates to important international business concepts from our course. Tariffs negatively affect Tesla competitive advantage by increasing production costs. Both the United States and China use protectionism to protect their domestic industries, but this limits Tesla's ability to operate efficiently across borders. Finally, Tesla must adjust its foreign direct investment or FDI to reduce trade risk and maintain stability in its global operations. In conclusion, Tesla must diversify its production and market presence instead of depending too much on China. Expanding into new regions and building factories in tariff friendly countries will help Tesla remain competitive, continue growing internationally, and support the global shift toward clean energy. Trade disruptions can be a huge challenge, but they also push companies like Tesla to innovate and strengthen their strategies.